Hello, and welcome back to Medicinal Herbs Discovered. Are you struggling to keep your cholesterol levels in check? Well, you're in for a treat today. We will dive into the fascinating world of natural solutions. They can help you conquer your high cholesterol. Welcome to our ultimate guide on the top 5 herbs for cholesterol. In this video, we will reveal 5 incredible herbs that have been scientifically proven to work wonders for your heart health. From ancient remedies to cutting-edge research, we will take you on a journey through centuries of wisdom and modern discoveries. So grab a cup of herbal tea, sit back, and get ready to unlock the secrets of these powerful herbs that could transform your heart health for good. Before we dive into the top herbs, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll never miss any of our health tips and discoveries. Now, let's get started with our number 5 herb, the heart-friendly superstar known to both ancient healers and modern doctors alike, Tulsi. Tulsi is also known as Indian holy basil. Did you know that Tulsi contains a powerful constituent called eugenol? This medical compound has the remarkable ability to decrease intestinal bile absorption. And guess what? Bile absorption is responsible for soaking up cholesterol from your diet. By reducing this process, Tulsi may help to lower cholesterol levels and promote heart health. But that's not all. Tulsi also lowers liver cholesterol and triglyceride production. Want to experience its benefits? Just 250 milligrams twice a day for 8 weeks could do wonders. It's time to embrace the holistic goodness of Tulsi and unlock its potential to transform your well-being. Ranked at an impressive number 4 is the mighty green tea. Green tea wields a powerful ally known as EGCG. This incredible constituent takes on the battle against cholesterol like a true champion. Here's how it works. EGCG physically prevents the oxidation of LDL, commonly known as the bad cholesterol. By doing so, it significantly reduces LDL production in our bodies. But EGCG also has another trick up its sleeve. It also expertly sequesters LDL from the bloodstream. By capturing LDL, green tea prevents the formation of harmful plaques on our blood vessel walls. It's like a natural shield, protecting our hearts from potential dangers. And the best part is that you don't need a complicated regimen to experience the benefits. Just 3 to 10 cups of green tea daily is all it takes to make a difference. Holding its position at number 3 in the fight against cholesterol is the incredible herb turmeric. This vibrant spice has a secret weapon called curcumin that works wonders for our heart health. Curcumin's superpower lies in boosting lipid metabolism in the liver. By doing so, it helps our body process fats more efficiently. This leads to a reduction in cholesterol levels. Even more remarkable, curcumin also takes on the role of a gut microbiota modulator by encouraging the growth of beneficial bacteria. These friendly microbes increase the production of cholesterol-destroying enzymes, ensuring that cholesterol is kept in check. And guess what? You don't need an elaborate plan to reap its benefits. A daily dose of just 500 milligrams to 2 grams of turmeric is all it takes to make a significant impact on cholesterol levels. Claiming its number 2 spot in the battle against cholesterol is the exceptional powers of rosemary. This fragrant herb boasts a potent secret called carnosic acid, and its effects on our heart health are truly astonishing. Here's why rosemary is so remarkable. carnosic acid is a formidable barrier against excess fat absorption. It inhibits lipase, the enzyme responsible for breaking down fat. By doing this, rosemary helps us maintain healthy cholesterol levels. Even more astonishing is that carnosic acid doesn't stop there. It also takes on the liver enzyme HMG-CoA, a key player in cholesterol production. By inhibiting HMG-CoA, rosemary ensures cholesterol and bile excretion in the feces. This keeps our cholesterol levels in check. To experience rosemary's full potential, an 8% extract is the key. It can be taken at 11 milliliters daily. With this simple addition to our daily routine, we can power our hearts and embark on a journey to better our health. And reigning supreme at number 1 is the champion of cholesterol reduction, garlic. This humble kitchen staple showcases the powerful ally called allicin. Its effects on our heart health are nothing short of miraculous. Here's why garlic holds the top spot. Allicin works its magic by inhibiting key liver enzymes responsible for cholesterol production. This leads to a decrease in lipid production. Even more impressively, allicin also boosts the activity of LDL receptors on liver cells, helping to clear more cholesterol from our bloodstream. Allicin's prowess extends to increasing bile acid excretion, which is made from cholesterol. By doing so, it actively decreases cholesterol levels in our body. But that's not the end of garlic's extraordinary tale. It also holds a treasure trove of antioxidants that combat inflammation, preventing hardening of the arteries. This means cholesterol won't stick to our blood vessel walls, keeping plaque at bay. To unlock garlic's full potential, include fresh garlic at 2 to 5 grams per day in your diet, or opt for allicin supplements at 300 milligrams to 600 milligrams daily for maximum benefits. In conclusion, we've unraveled the top 5 herbs that can truly transform your heart health and lower cholesterol levels naturally. From the remarkable powers of garlic to the astonishing effects of rosemary, to the fragrant charm of turmeric, the incredible potential of green tea, and the enchanting magic of tulsi. These herbs are more than just culinary delights. They are potent allies in our journey to a healthier heart. So embrace the wonders of these herbs and take charge of your well-being. Here's to a heart-healthy and vibrant life. Remember, always ask your doctor before starting any new medication or supplement. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to Medicinal Herbs Discovered. We post new top 5 videos every week, as well as a new Herb of the Week video every Friday afternoon. If you have enjoyed this video, you may also enjoy these playlists featuring our previous Herbs of the Week, or top 5 videos organized by medical condition or ailment. Thanks, and happy watching!